Hi guys, I have a question for you. Are you hungry for carbs all the time? Well, if you are, this video is for you. And what this means is you're basically running your body on sugar fuel. Okay, so this is what happens. You eat carbs, you increase insulin. Insulin, the purpose of insulin is to lower sugar in the blood. So we have a low blood sugar situation. And then because it's low, you're going to crave carbs and you're going to be hungry. Okay, it's going to cause you to eat. And it's going to go round and around and around, okay, until you get fat, all right? So then you decide to go on a diet. So you go on a diet, and you go on what everyone else is doing, on a low-calorie diet, because that's what's being promoted. So you go on a low-calorie diet, but the food that you're eating is pretty much the same, usually, but you're just eating small amounts of it, okay? But you're still going to spike insulin, still lower the blood sugar. You're still going to be hungry and craving even more, but this time, because you're on a low-calorie diet, you ruin your metabolism because low-calorie diets destroy the metabolism. So here you are, now you're not losing weight at all despite eating less, no metabolism, you're still fat, you're still craving, still hungry. Why? Because you are on the wrong eating plan, okay? I'm going to show you how to fix this, okay? I put a link down below. It's a little mini course. And we're going to show you exactly what to do. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get rid of the cravings and hunger to make it easy to do this so you're not tempted to eat these foods anymore. Because if you could do a program or an eating plan without being hungry for carbs, it's going to be a lot easier. Okay? And then what's going to happen, it's going to fix the deeper root cause of why your metabolism is low, which is this insulin thing. Okay? And then it's going to be easier to lose weight. So you'll lose weight, lose fat, without the cravings, without the hunger. If you're interested in that, take the mini course down below. All right? Thanks for watching. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Keep spreading the word and share this video.